Well, a pretty nice day today, and as we head toward the weekend, Rebecca, it sounds like things are starting to cool off a little bit.
Just ever so slightly. The nice thing is we're going to kind of get eased into the clouds first, and then we're going to start to feel the little cooler weather. But boy, the West Coast and much of the West, the Southwest, getting these really hot temperatures for this time of year, and they're very concerned about wildfire danger. That is stretching all the way up into parts of the West, even here for Washington State. Certainly watching out for any lightning strikes here in the next several days. We do have some changes coming in, and that's really going to be seen as we get into the day tomorrow. Now, right now, last light at Hansville, northern tip of Kitsap Peninsula, gave a pretty sunset tonight, and we had all different kinds of colors in that. Right now at SeaTac, we've got 65 degrees, clear skies, and we look outside and you can see how the clear skies felt pretty warm. We hit 80 today, which is well above the average high of 74. And we're going to see the temperatures falling back down into the 70s and hovering in the 70s. May not touch 80 degrees again for some time. 65 degrees right now with clear skies at the waterfront. Winds are out of the south at 6 miles an hour. Southerly winds bringing in a little bit of that weather change we have that's coming in tomorrow. 63 degrees for Everett now, 66 in Yelm. Our temperature is feeling comfortable outside, but if you look at the satellite, you can see how we have a little bit of a southerly flow, and it's also directing most of the clouds up into central East Washington. Well, this is going to be the primary spot we get most of our rain tomorrow. Central and eastern Washington, as a trough of low pressure is pushing in for us. What we are going to get here in western Washington, because we're far enough north of this, probably just spotty drizzle on the coast and up north. And then once it passes through tomorrow afternoon and evening, we'll start to see a better chance of a few spotty showers popping up in a convergence zone right around that Snohomish-King County border. The amount of rainfall is going to be very light. If we get sprinkles at best, about 0.05 of an inch around many areas, and we're looking for most of it to be to the north. Again, you can see Everett approaching 1/10 of an inch later tomorrow night. That's because of the convergence zone, or the wind interacting with the mountains. So for the mountains tomorrow, partly sunny skies, could have some dense fog early in the morning. So if you're traveling, know that you got to use those lower lights, those low beams. Temperatures in the passes upper 50s to low 60s. Tonight, for all of us, we're going to gradually see the clouds on the increase. So we're going to keep it with partly clear skies overnight. But by the morning hours, we're definitely going to be in the clouds. Temperatures are going to be hovering in the mid 50s for the most part. So we're not getting very cool tonight into the morning hours, but the daytime, it's going to take a lot of time to get the temperature at SeaTac to 70. We're going to be mostly cloudy for much of that day with the risk of a little bit of evening drizzle. You can see the high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. So we've got a 10-degree drop in the high temperatures when it comes into tomorrow. We'll have a few showers in the late afternoon, mainly north of Seattle, and we'll have a little bit of drizzle or a light shower as we get into Saturday afternoon, evening into Sunday morning. And then we're going to go to partly sunny skies. Temperatures hovering in the 70s. You see the drop off in the 60s? Yeah, that's our change of cooler weather really kicking in Wednesday and Thursday.
Still pretty good weather for the middle of September. Rebecca, thank you.